You must have seen those Korean skinfluencers whose skin just looks unreal, like smooth, baby soft, poreless skin that literally glows. And then whatever they use instantly goes viral. So when I kept seeing the Illiyoon Ceramide Soothing A2 Gel pop up over and over on my feed, I knew I had to try it. And after using it for 7 straight days, here is everything you need to know. This is the Illiyoon Ceramide A2 Soothing Gel, a face and body gel designed to strengthen and repair the skin barrier, gifted by the brand. It's super lightweight, gel-based, fragrance-free, and has only 15 ingredients. Well, that's quite minimal compared to most moisturizers. It includes skin-loving ingredients like panthenol, madecassoside, Centella asiatica, glycerin, squalene, betaine, vitamin E, and most importantly, ceramides, AP, NP, and EOP. An article published on In My Kit by Kevin James Bennett explains beautifully how ceramides enhances the skin barrier function by rebuilding, reinforcing, and sealing your skin's natural barrier. It literally acts as a sticky mortar in between the skin cells, which keeps that wall strong and water-light. It's cruelty-free, vegan, non-comedogenic, and made especially for sensitive or irritated skin types. You can use it on the face and the body, and it's even suitable for skin conditions like eczema or post-acne irritation as per brand. So I was super excited on day one, mainly because I had seen it everywhere on Korean skinfluencers, and honestly the first application felt amazing. It glided like water on my skin, super smooth, no fragrance, and very hydrating. I used it as the last step in my nighttime routine and it absorbed right in. On day one, it felt super nice, so I thought I would continue it on day 2 in the morning too. So I tried it in the morning, and here is the thing, it is still absorbed beautifully, but I started feeling a slightly sticky residue after it dried down. Not uncomfortable, but enough that I wouldn't want to layer a sunscreen on top of it during the day, especially not in this humid weather. At night though, it's perfect as the last step. Day 3 and day 4 were the turning point. First of all, no breakouts. That's huge for me since my skin is oily, acne prone, and sensitive. The hydration this gel gives is deep. Like when you apply it, you don't just feel it on the surface. Your skin actually feels plump and moisturized from within. If you've ever had dry, tight skin where even petroleum jelly takes time to work, this definitely feels more instant. Also, I noticed a subtle brightening effect every time I applied it. Not long lasting, but immediately after application, the skin looked glowy and fresh. And I believe that's the ceramide barrier support doing its thing. By day 5, 6, and 7, I had settled into a routine, nighttime use only, and I will continue using it like that. It's hydrating enough that it almost feels an overnight mask, but gentle enough for everyday use. My skin feels soothed, calm, and hydrated. I haven't had a single reaction to it, and that's rare for me. The only reason I wouldn't use it in the day because of the humid weather where I live. But if you are in a drier climate, I think this would be amazing for both day and night. So would I recommend it? Absolutely yes, especially if you have sensitive, dry, or compromised skin. It's a solid ceramide-based moisturizer with minimal ingredients, no fragrance, and real hydration power. Just be mindful of that slightly sticky feeling if you're using it under makeup SPF in a humid environment. So if you have tried this or any other Illiyoon product, do let me know in the comments. And if you like this 7-day wear test, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest skincare reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.